I'm gonna beat a fucking dead horse. That's what I'm gonna do. So I remember when I first started motovlogging, there was like a shit ton of people that did it, and there's still a shit ton of people that did it. But I kind of miss the people that I started with, or I started watching, right? Like, I still watch like Blue Bike and Doyle and NVA Rider. They were around when I started. There's some new guys I watch, you know, like Kawi. I ride with that guy. I like riding with him. He's fun. He's a good bro. MotoJack's another one. I don't know how new he is, but I just started watching him. Same with Blackpheonix Entertainment. I watch him a lot. But like, I'm only gonna name a couple because I can only think of a couple off the top of my head. But there's some people that I used to watch that don't do it anymore. They just fell off the face of the earth. Like, I don't know if you all remember Kode Gray. Kode Gray was pretty fun to watch. He was cool. Same with Wild Rider. I mean, he's a smaller local channel, so not many people might know who the hell that is, but he was a guy I watched a lot. But like, what happened to them? They just disappeared. I mean, I know motovlogging isn't dead, and I know some people did it as like a COVID hobby. But what happened to them? What happened to the probably thousands of other guys, hundreds of other guys maybe, that some of y'all watched that no longer post, that just disappeared one of these days? Are they still riding? Are they alive? Did they die? Did they crash? Did they sell their bike to focus on other aspects of their life? I don't know. We'll never know. What the hell happened to them? I know I went on hiatus for years because I didn't really feel like recording anything and posting. I mean, I posted like every couple of months. But I wasn't really, I guess, in the mindset to be posting. Which is here nor there. Things happen. But like, what happened to all of them? I've said that already a few times. What happened to them? I enjoyed watching them. Honestly, I kind of get on a little bit of a nostalgia kick, and I'll go back and watch their old videos, and I'll be like, damn, when they posted this video, I was still seeing my first girlfriend. Or damn, when this was going on, I didn't even have a fucking crotch rocket yet, or a sport bike, whatever the hell y'all want to call it. I know everybody calls it something different. Or sometimes I'll go way far back and I'll watch some random like motovlogs from 10-15 years ago, and I'll be like, damn, I was still in school when they recorded and posted this. My dyno was a brand new motorcycle. And then I'll look at their like video list, and that was like one of the only videos they posted ever. And the last time they posted was like 8 years ago, and it's like, damn, what happened to them even? I didn't even watch them until like right now, but are they good? You know? It is kind of cool though, watching some of the older moto vlogs from like my area and just seeing how much it's changed. Like, there are some things that are roundabouts and roads that never used to be roundabouts or roads. Do y'all know any of these motovloggers, like, outside of actually vlogging? And do you know what happened to them? Oh, come on, guy. I don't know, I just think about it every once in a while. I know it's probably not even close to being that deep for anybody else but me. I just genuinely, I don't want to say I get concerned, but there was one guy I watched, BillTheHarleyGuy. He passed away. I didn't know about that until like literally about a few weeks ago, and that was because I went back and watched one of his videos, and I was like, oh man, I haven't seen him post in a while. You know, we rode together at least once and talked a little bit, and then I get the, oh, we miss you comments, and I say, oh no, my bro, what the fuck? You know, I fear that for all the people that I watch when they stop posting, even if I never talk to them like that, you know. I mean, the ones that just kind of slowly petered out on posting, I understand, you know, they probably got out of it. But there are some that literally posted regularly and then cut, and then nothing, you know, like no comments, no reactions on comments, not even a fuck you, where'd I go, that kind of thing. They're just gone, you know. Say, did they die? As previously mentioned, there was already one motovlogger that I enjoyed watching, and I rode with him once and wanted to ride with some more, and he fucking passed away. I'm pretty sure that video of mine is still up on his. If it is, I'll link it. There's a lot of them that I just kind of like privated because they didn't match the quality of posts that I had started making after a while. But if it is, I'll link it. Long live Bill the Harley Guy. But I don't know, I guess I just thought about it a little bit because I've been watching some older moto vlogs about the area and decided, hell, why the hell not? Make a video about it. I do be thinking about a lot of y'all, I just don't ever say it. It's not really my place to say it, I guess, but now that we've got a video out, it's said. Because like the moto vlogging stuff used to be a little like family knit community where everybody would shout each other out and hang out virtually and everything. Where did that go? Like genuinely, where did that go? I missed that. I understand that that was a COVID thing, so everybody had time to just do stuff, but a lot of those guys are still, some of those guys are still around. I'm not even gonna say a lot of. I said a lot of as if I hadn't just said a lot of them disappeared. A few of them are still around, and that like little tight-knit community thing seems to be gone. I don't know, yeah. Where did y'all go, man? If you're one of the people that used to watch a lot or used to post a lot and then disappeared, leave a comment and let us know you're still with us. I don't care if you even watch like any of my other videos or are still active, just let us know you're not dead, man. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I was gonna try and smack your windshield, but you're too far away. I'm gonna shout this guy out. He's gonna have no fucking idea who the hell I am.